Okay, welcome back to another exciting video. Today I want to go over Lovable. If you don't know what Lovable is, it's basically a website where you can create apps, websites, and other tools without using code. You can just type in a script. You can go to ChatGPT, type in, hey, I want to create a script for Lovable to create a sales page. And I'm going to show you in this video basically how to use Lovable, and I'm going to show you, if you want to learn more, you can get my AI course. I'm going to be showing you more things like Lovable and other tools that you can use. So go ahead and watch the Lovable video. This is called Vibe Coding. Basically, it's creating apps without code. Lovable. Okay, we're getting into some exciting training today. This is Fraser Hunter Jr. Today we're going to be training on how to create your own sales page just using text. And with AI, you don't need to know how to be a coder. You can just enter text, and we can have programs that will code for you. That's what's so exciting about AI tools. Everything is just so simple now. You can be just a regular computer user, and you can build your own apps. This is what you call vibe coding. Basically, vibe coding is creating things without coding, basically just text. That's basically in a nutshell what vibe coding is, using text to create code and apps and stuff. So we're going to go back to our starting point. That's why we use ChatGPT for our very first module, because you're going to be using ChatGPT in basically everything, your day-to-day tasks. So what I'm telling ChatGPT to do is create me a prompt to use in Lovable to create a sales page. Create me a prompt to use in Lovable .dev to create a sales page using this information. So I'm telling it to create me a prompt for Lovable to create a sales page using this text. So I put my links and everything in there, and let's see what it comes back with. Here's a clean, powerful prompt. Okay. I think that's a good prompt. Command, copy. I'm going to come over here to Lovable. V, and hit enter. Bam. Now Lovable is going to work, and it's going to create your page. So it's exciting, guys. Look at AI. Now let's say if you got a promotion going on, you could just use Lovable real quick to create your quick sales page or whatever promotion you got going on. Because most people have their own capture page system, which we're going to get into that also with this course. That's going to be one of our last modules, showing you how to create automated capture pages and systems. But anyway, in this lesson, we're just showing you how to do a quick sales page, something quick for your business with just text. And what we're going to create, this could take you, if you're using a regular capture page system or something else, this could probably take you anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour or more. And this can be done in amount. Using Lovable can be done in a matter of minutes. That's the power of AI. So it's thinking, collaborating. What did it say? Bam. There's your sales page, guys. And even though I forgot to tell it to put the images as 16 by 9, but we could easily edit that. But welcome, my name is if I click, look at that, you got your own testimonials. Let's see, publish, preview, let's preview it. And if I click this link, bam. Welcome back to today's, goes to the link I've set in there. Look at that, guys. A sales page with Lovable in a matter of minutes. You know, I could ask them to redo it, but this just gives you a glimpse of the power of AI, vibe coding, of what you could do. The power of AI. So that's going to be our training today, Lovable. Remember, the link to each one of these programs is always below. Just click on it. Go ahead and try Lovable out, guys. There's so much that you can do with Lovable. I'm not going to publish this because I don't want to use that, but I wanted to use that. And then there's, wow, that only used 2 credits. If you look down here at the bottom, you'll see what other people created, just to give you some ideas of some other things that you can do. Travel guides. So just so much you can do. So just look in there, guys, and look and just try to create something on your own. You can use the demo I did with the sales page, but just change out the links. So I just redid my Lovable web page. So all I did was change the link to this video right here, and I reran it. And look how nice this page is. Let me go ahead and edit. I want to change this color to orange. And you can just, first you got to hit edit. Move this out the way. Down here at the bottom. And then you can change the color. So I want to do like a orange color like that. Wow, they made this blinking. I want to make that a little bit more orange also. Okay, oh, I gotta hit edit again. gotta hit save first. Okay. So just from the entering this script right here, no coding, no drag and drop. You just enter the script and hit enter, and bam, you get a web page like this. But I want to change colors. Let's see what we get here. Change colors to light blue and white and black. And let's redo it and see what we get. So it's going to think for a while. Tell you, this Lovable is amazing, guys. You need to add this to your, so it's updating the color scheme. So it's still showing you what it's doing. So it just changed the colors. Look at that. Bam! Look how it's changing the colors to the web page, guys, to match my video here. Wow. So you can make web pages just like that, guys, with just text. So I'm going to publish this. Publish your post. Publish it. And then we're going to take a look at it. So that's the link there. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Bam! Look at that. Then if I hit this, this should go to another web page. Welcome back to today's training. Creating websites with just text and code using AI. If you want to, and I'll see you on the next video.